How to connect Athene Parthenon network to Tonkeeper wallet. Now first of all, open the Tonkeeper app. Now set that tab on Discover, and from here just search for this URL, parthenon.athenescan.io. Now hit search. I just type in it, or I just did it wrong. Now from here just type Athene like that and hit search. Now as you can see, after the website is opened, now tap on connect. Now set that tab on all wallets, and now search for Ton like that. And as you can see, you can't find Ton because it's not supported for this moment. So you can't be able to connect the Athene network or Athene Parthenon network to Tonkeeper wallet. So for this time you can't, and I don't know if in coming days you can. So if anything it's new, I will just provide with a video. So this is how to connect Athene Parthenon network to Tonkeeper. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.